So here's something you should know. Laundry detergent does not kill bacteria. So I use the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer and it kills the bacteria. Hi everyone, I'm April. I'm a mom of 2 boys. Liam is 3 years old and Jacob is 5 months. And today we're going to talk all about changing diapers and how to keep everything sanitized. So the poopy diaper clothing, Liam's clothes from daycare, Justin's sweaty, running clothes, my dishcloths, all of that, the bacteria is not being killed with detergent. So even though it smells clean, it doesn't mean it's sanitized. The Lysol Laundry Sanitizer is bleach free. You can use it on all colors and it doesn't mask odors like fabric softener. It actually kills the bacteria, which is why the clothes no longer smell. As a mom, we're really hyper about things that will affect our babies. So that's why I like using the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. It just works really well. I've tested it out a lot and it's really safe. Liam's really helpful. He likes to help with, changing the diapers. He'll hand me a diaper. If Jacob seems sad, he'll always assume, Mommy, Jacob has a diaper. Change his diapers. It's adorable. So I was reading an article in which environmental microbiologist Dr. Charles Gerba said you should disinfect after every use of a changing table or surface and sanitize every time you change a diaper, because otherwise you get a buildup of organisms that can be passed in both directions. Poop doesn't just make kids smell, it also makes them sick. So I make sure to dispose diapers in a properly sealed container because I know Liam's gonna turn it into a toy. I'm disinfecting constantly. Just because I don't see the bacteria doesn't mean it's not there.